Hi, good morning guys. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and we're going to work on unit number 6, Mix and Mash. Impact activity. Instructions. Answer pages 100 and 101 on your student book. Guys, if you have the book, complete these activities on the student book. Take a picture of them and add the picture to the worksheet file sent by the teacher. And if you don't have your book, you will find the necessary pages on the next slide. And you will have to copy the activities on the worksheet file sent by the teacher. When you're done, send the complete file to the platform on the delivery section. And guys, as you can see, we have pages 100 and 101, a feast for the eyes. And we'll start with activity number 17. Describe the most unusual piece of art you've seen. What did you like about it? What didn't you like about it? Guys, if you don't have like a specific piece of art, you can Google it and then answer the questions. Activity number 18. Learn new words. Find these words in the reading. What do you think they mean? Notice examples that give their meaning. Then listen and repeat. For this activity, you're going to need track number 84. And the words are to imagine, to imitate, modern, original, weird. Activity number 19. While you read, try to visualize or see a picture in your mind, the artwork being described. For this activity, you're going to need track number 85. And then we have activity number 20. After you read, work in pairs to answer the questions. Guys, you're going to copy these questions and you are going to add them to the file that I send you. Activity number 21. You're going to choose a foodscape between cards and balloons. Then you're going to draw it and give me a brief description of it. And activity number 22, we're going to discuss in groups. But in this case, you are going to copy these questions and you are going to answer them in the file that I send you. Impact activity. Instructions. Answer pages 60 and 61 on your workbook. And the same, if you have the book, complete these activities on the workbook, take a picture of them, and add the pictures to the worksheet file sent by the teacher. And if you don't have your book, you will find the necessary pages on the next slide, and you will have to copy the activities on the worksheet file sent by the teacher. When you're done, send the complete file to the platform on the delivery section. As you can see, we have pages 60 and 61. And the first one you are going just to read about jumping rope. That's activity number 8. And then we have in activity number 9. Read the article again. Answer the questions. As you can see, we have 3 different questions that you are going to answer with the information that you get from the article. Activity number 10. Reread the article. Compare the differences and similarities between the traditional dance and the sport of today. Practice telling a classmate or your teacher about tinkling. In this case, you're going to put like the differences and also the similarities on the part that says both. Activity number 11. Write. Read the text again. Write 2 new sentences about changes in this traditional dance. Impact audios. So as I explained you before, you're going to go to NGL. Then you're going to click on the audio student book, go to unit number 6, and you're going to choose the necessary tracks. In this case, for activity number 18, as I told you before, it is 84, and for activity number 19 is track 85. The same as in the workbook. You're going to go to the audio section, then you're going to go to unit number 6, and for activity number 8 in your workbook, you're going to need the track number 28. Okay, guys, that's it. Take care. See you in a few weeks. Goodbye.